Namaskar and welcome back to StatSkin Hub. I am Dr. Asha Jindal. In today's session, you will understand how to create and interpret frequency distribution tables using Jamovi. This is a foundational concept in statistics and very useful for data analysis. A frequency distribution table shows how often each value or category appears in a dataset. It helps us quickly understand patterns, identify common values, and see how data is distributed. Frequency tables are very useful for three main purposes. First, data exploration for getting an overview of the dataset. Second, data cleaning for identifying unusual or unexpected values. Third, reporting for presenting data clearly in a structured format. To access frequency tables in Jamovi, we first go to Analysis tab, then Exploration, and then Descriptives. This is where Jamovi combines descriptive statistics and frequency analysis. For creating univariate frequency table for categorical data like gender, class, region, etc., first you open your dataset in Jamovi, then you go to Analysis tab, click on Exploration, move to Descriptives, then you can drag your variable into the variables box, then tick mark the frequency table option, and it will give you immediately counts, percentage, and cumulative percentage for each category in the output. Let me show you by doing this. In Jamovi, I have opened the census dataset, which is five variables: ID, region, education, gender, and age. Now, to create the frequency table, I will first open Analysis tab, which is already opened. Move to the Exploration. Click on Descriptives. I have moved education level to variables box. Click on frequency table, and graduates are 15, postgraduates are 10, primary level students are there, and secondary level also 15 students are there. So this is the count column. Even percentage of total is there as well as cumulative percentage column is also there. We can click on this image for copying and then you can paste it and interpret in your report. You can split this by region also. So here you could see that frequency table, how many graduates are there in East, North, South, West, and similarly postgraduate, primary, and secondary. You can move many categorical variables to variables box and obtain the frequency table of each one of them simultaneously, and instantly results appears on the right side. Now, if I want to make bivariate frequency table, then what to be done? In that case, on the Analysis tab itself, you click on Frequencies. You see contingency table. Below that, independent samples is there. Click on that. You can put education level, gender in columns. You will see the contingency table has appeared. This is known as bivariate frequency table in statistics. If I want to make n-fold frequency table, then I can put many variables in the layers. This is the three-fold contingency table has appeared, or three-way classification. has appeared. Similarly, you can make n-fold classification tables by moving as many variables as possible in the layers. Let me go to the presentation mode. In some versions of Jamovi, you may see a frequency tables option. If not, don't worry. The counts and percentage shown in the output already represent the frequency distribution. Now, next comes, how do I prepare the frequency table for continuous data? For continuous data, frequency tables are not directly available. However, we can either convert the variable into categories or create class intervals using binning, and this allows us to analyze continuous data in grouped format. I will simply show you age is continuous variable, and I want to make the frequency table of this variable. How I will do it? I will change measurement type from continuous to ordinal, then move to exploration descriptives, click on frequency table, move age to variables box, and here you could see the frequency table. This is the one way. Another way is you use the transform function on data tab. This transform, by selecting beans option, you can do it as I taught earlier. And even this binning option directly is available if you click on, let's say I'm converting back my this variable to continuous, analysis tab, exploration, descriptives, plots, histogram, and I move age to this box, you could see that it has done the binning. 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. In Jamovi, frequency distribution can be obtained either as exact count for categorical variables or as a grouped visual summary using histogram for continuous data, or converting your continuous data to ordinal, or converting into bins, you can obtain the frequency distribution table. I will move back to my presentation. Just now, what I said, it is displayed on the screen. Let us understand the output. Frequency means count. Percentage shows proportion. And cumulative percentage shows running totals. Together, they give a complete picture of data distribution. Using the split by option, we can compare frequency distributions across groups. For example, comparing males versus females or different age groups. This is very useful for deeper analysis. To summarize, frequency tables are essential for understanding data. They work best for categorical variables. For continuous data, we use grouping techniques, and Jamovi makes the entire process simple and efficient. In Jamovi, frequency distribution can be obtained either as an exact count for categorical variables or as a grouped visual summaries using histogram for continuous data. Thank you. Happy learning.